Hey guys, this is Nick the Teleknight, bringing you another video today, and I've just been at a tournament. You can see I've got my new mat, it's really awesome. Venom, Dan and I were just hanging out pretty much today at the tournament. We got a lot of cards, a lot of stuff, and a pretty admirable haul, I must say. Pretty much we're just going to be opening all these, having a bit of fun. Let's go. So, first I got the 2 Invasion Vengeance packs. Oh my! Dimensional Barrier! Holy godmother, I pulled a Dimensional Barrier! Yeah, oh my. For how good that card is, I'm not expressing enough. That's like a $90 card. Yeah, the Pendulum Dance gone off next to me. For how much that's worth, I don't seem to be going off enough, I guess. That, I don't know, whatever. Next pack, we have Flip Hipper, Cypher Mariner, Spirit's Blessing, Farkite and Butterfly. Ooh, Teleknight Genesis. And pretty much just average stuff. Dimensional Barrier. How did we pull it off? Yeah, how? Okay, next we got Breakers of Shadow. Pack number 1. Oh, Monkey Board.
That's bad.
It's banned. Quaking Mirror Force, cool. Oh, don't need to borrow that from Pendulum Dan anymore. Cool stuff. Still happy about the Dimensional Barrier. Open. Ooh, Plesiosaurus. Auto-Eyes Advent. Cool. Just some regular stuff from the Breakers of Shadow. Raging Tempest. We've got some pretty average stuff here. Not extremely happy. We still got all these packs to open. Yay! It's gonna be so fun. You get to watch me get the best cards ever. I'm really hoping for Lawn Mowing Next Door or Odd-Eyes Raging Dragon. Can we? Oh yeah, it's a Borbar. I'm building Zodiac Metal Foes. Yay! Yeah, I'm building Zodiac Metal Foes. I got some Zodiacs. Woohoo! Spiritual on it. Oh, we got Yokotuna. Cool. Yokotuna, Saturnus. Delta the Magnet Warrior swag. Pretty much regular stuff. Still hoping for better cards. Tiger Mortar, yay! Yeah, that's Pendulum Dan next to me, just going off.
So rare.
I know.
Zodiac.
Yep, he's happy.
No, I'm not happy.
Happy. Sad. Come on, Lawn Mowing Next Door, Yokotuna.
Yoko.
Sorta, Behemoth, not a swag guy. Still no Lawn Mowing Next Door. I am going to have a lot of sorting to do. 3 more packs left. Can we pull it? Oh, we got Cyber Angel Natasha. Nope, 2 packs left. Will we pull it? Will we not? Who knows? Magispect Gus, Cypher Stranger, Void Chaos, Spygal Misty, okay. Sure. Last pack. This has gone very quick. Lawn Mowing Next Door, Lawn Mowing Next Door, Lawn Mowing Next Door. No Lawn Mowing Next Door. Okay, that's pretty much it. So I got some good stuff, of course. I pulled a dimensional barrier! Yay! Oh, if you only knew how happy I was. Got a lot of cards. I'm gonna have a lot of sorting tonight. A lot. I'm gonna need, like, a whole new binder. But, yeah, pretty much. Like, subscribe, see more dimensional barrier reaction videos. Me just saying, ooh, dimensional barrier. and a $90 card. But anyway, like, subscribe. Is Nick the Telenite out?
Cut.